Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting parts and making the first physical connections. Mount the GPS and modem next to the microcontroller. Solder power and common ground carefully to avoid shorts. Once done, attach antennas and insert a working SIM. Make sure the modem sees the network. Label TX/RX and connect serial lines, GPS to one UART, modem to another. Secure the battery through a fuse and regulator. Now power up. Watch LEDs to confirm basic life. This proves the hardware foundation. Now program the device to read GPS sentences and send location. Use a stable library to parse NME and extract lat/long, time, and fix quality. Initialize the modem with at commands. Test SMS, then set up HTTP or MQTT for regular uploads. Once connected, implement retries and exponential backoff to handle network drops. Add a local micro SD log as a fallback. Make sure to code sleep cycles and wake triggers to save battery. This keeps the tracker reliable. Finish by mounting the tracker in a waterproof case under the seat or frame. Use foam to damp vibrations and zip ties to secure. Perform a 10-30-minute field test and watch live locations on your server or phone. Confirm timestamps and that the reported path matches real movement. Measure battery draw during normal operation. If things go wrong, first check antenna orientation and placement, then confirm serial baud rates and modem registration. Those 3 checks solve most connectivity and accuracy problems. Start there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.